Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, come and unbox the Alicia Souza's 2025 planner along with me. First up, we have this really beautiful blue colored box and of course a super cute packing paper along with the thank you note. And the sticker book, stickers. Who doesn't love them? Some stickers. But please excuse my voice, don't mind it because I'm still recovering from a bad bout of flu. And the super adorable, vibrant, cutesy planner opening up to the face of someone lovely on the left. And this planner belongs to this year is going to be Mantra of the Year page, and the list of holidays for the year, and the personal information page, and of course the 25-26 calendar spread. A few things to note: it's very cute with the doodle of a girl with a kitty cat, and of course the letter for you from you. Scribbles and thoughts, so that would be the letter, and there's one blank page here. And so this time the my year's goals page is beautiful, which has been bifurcated into 4: personal relationships, health and wellness, career, school, and other. So the monthly tabs this time are kind of plasticky, if you know what I mean. The highlights page and the thoughts and things. So for the month of Jan, the theme is silly conversations, and the calendar spread, and the monthly spread, which I notice is a little it's a little bigger. The font size is it is bigger compared to the previous year, because I distinctly remember that it was made small the last year, but this time it is made a little big. And there's only one blank page at the end of the month, and there's the monthly tracker and the personal and professional to do and the monthly meal plan. And again, just one blank page at the end. And for February, it is simple things. And for March, it is snoozies and cuddles. For April, it's fly. May, woohoo. June is small, beautiful things. July is free. August is cozy and comfy. September, warmth. October, cake, always. So all of these doodles inside the monthly pages are also pertaining to the theme. It's beautiful. November, care and nurture. It's so well thought of. Oh, I'm in love. December is joyride. So all of these small doodles, on the inside pages of the months are also pertaining to the theme of the month. Oh my God. Prettiest. And at the end, it's the highlights of the year and the books that I've read, and the movies and TV series that I've watched. And at the end, there are like 2 blank pages and the 2 bookmark ribbons. Bookmarks? Bookmark ribbons. Bookmarks.
Ma, your plan is very pretty.
Oh, thank you, baby. I know, it's beautiful, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So even the Viro this year, the binding seems very sturdy than all the previous years. So I absolutely love that. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching till here, and wishing you all a very happy new year. God bless you. Cheers. Bye.